Ankylosaurus, meaning fused lizard, is one of the most iconic and recognizable dinosaurs, famous for its formidable natural defenses. It was a heavily armored, quadrupedal, four-legged herbivore that roamed North America during the late Cretaceous period, approximately 68 to 66 million years ago, making it one of the last non-avian dinosaurs to exist before the Cretaceous-Paleogene extinction event. Here's a detailed look at Ankylosaurus. Physical characteristics: size and build. Ankylosaurus was a large and robust dinosaur. Estimates vary, but it likely measured between 6 to 9 meters, or 20 to 30 feet in length, and weighed around 4,500 to 8,000 kilograms, or 10,000 to 17,600 pounds, making it comparable in size to a large rhinoceros, or even a bus. Its body was broad and low-slung, giving it a tank-like appearance. Armor, or osteoderms. The most distinctive feature of Ankylosaurus was its extensive armor. Its entire back, neck, and even parts of its head and limbs were covered in bony plates called osteoderms, also known as scutes. These osteoderms were not directly connected to the skeleton, but were embedded in the skin, forming a protective, almost impenetrable shield. The armor included massive knobs and oval plates of bone, and some theories suggest it was covered with skin and keratin, similar to crocodile scutes. Some armored dinosaurs, like Euoplocephalus, even had armored eyelids. Skull. Ankylosaurus had a wide, low, and triangular skull with two prominent horns pointing backward from the back of the head, and two smaller horns below them pointing backward and down. Unlike many other ankylosaurs, its nostrils faced sideways rather than forward. Its bones, especially in the skull, were fused, contributing to its fused lizard name. Tail club. Perhaps its most famous defensive weapon was the massive bony club at the end of its tail. This club was formed by modified, interlocking caudal or tail vertebrae and enlarged bulbous osteoderms. This formidable weapon could be swung with considerable force, potentially capable of breaking the bones of attacking predators like Tyrannosaurus rex. Teeth and beak. Ankylosaurus had a wide, beak-like structure at the front of its jaws, followed by rows of small, leaf-shaped teeth. These teeth were suited for browsing on low-lying vegetation rather than for tearing or heavy chewing. Diet and habitat. Herbivorous diet. Ankylosaurus was a herbivore, feeding exclusively on plants. Its small, leaf-shaped teeth and broad muzzle suggest it was a non-selective browser, grazing on low-lying vegetation such as ferns, cycads, conifers, shrubs, and perhaps even pulpy fruits. Some paleontologists believe it may have had a strong sense of smell to locate food and avoid predators. Digestive system. The broadness of its rib cage indicates that Ankylosaurus likely had a fermentation-based digestive system to break down the large quantities of unchewed plant matter it consumed daily, possibly up to 60 kilograms of plants. Habitat. Ankylosaurus lived in what is now western North America, with fossils found in formations like the Hell Creek Formation in Montana, the Lance Formation in Wyoming, and the Scallard Formation in Alberta, Canada. During the late Cretaceous, this region experienced a warm, humid, near-tropical climate with abundant vegetation. Behavior and defense. Slow and moving. Due to its immense weight and heavy armor, Ankylosaurus is believed to have been a relatively slow-moving animal. Defensive strategy. Its primary defense strategy was its nearly impenetrable armor and its powerful tail club. When threatened, it likely hunkered down, protecting its vulnerable underside, and could swing its tail club to deter or injure attackers. The sheer bulk and low center of gravity would have made it incredibly difficult for even large predators to flip over. Solitary or herding. While some sources suggest that they might have roamed in herds for safety, The evidence for social behavior in Ankylosaurus is limited, and it may have been a solitary forager. Discovery and classification. Discovery. The first Ankylosaurus remains were discovered by American paleontologist Barnum Brown in the Hell Creek Formation of Montana in 1906. Brown formally named the genus Ankylosaurus and its only known species, Ankylosaurus magniventris, in 1908. The species name magniventris refers to its great belly, highlighting its wide body. Fossil record. While Ankylosaurus is well known, a complete skeleton has not yet been discovered. Its representation in popular culture makes it the archetypal armored dinosaur, even though other members of its group, Ankylosauridae, are represented by more extensive fossil material. Classification. Kingdom, Animalia. Phylum, Chordates. Class, Reptilia. Superorder, Dinosauria. Order, Ornithischia. Bird-hipped dinosaurs. Suborder, Thyrophora. Armored dinosaurs. Infraorder, Ankylosauria, characterized by extensive bony armor. Family, Ankylosauridae, containing species with tail clubs and specific skull features. Genus, Ankylosaurus. Species, Ankylosaurus magniventris. Ankylosaurus stands as a testament to the diverse and impressive forms that dinosaurs evolved, showcasing an extraordinary adaptation for defense in a world filled with formidable predators.